Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. If you are new, my name is Miriam. I have this empty wall in the playroom that's driving me crazy, so I decided to make a wall art or a decor piece for this wall. So I got this inspiration actually from another YouTuber named Trisha J. I love her. She makes awesome wall decor pieces. So I started to replicate the design that she made. So for the project, I started out with this poster board and I just took the frame apart and everything that was in it. I had it sitting around in the house for a while and we didn't put any picture or posters or anything in it. So I figured why not just use the poster board because it is actually strong enough for this project and it can hold up with the hot glue that I'm going to be using. After taking the frame apart, I decided to then start gluing the design. So you literally just hot glue any type of design. I freestyled this. I didn't draw anything on the board to copy off of or to trace. So I just freestyled and started drawing random lines on the poster board. And I have to say, I have to admit, this was so therapeutic and relaxing. While I was doing this, my mind, everything was just at ease. It felt so good to just use the hot glue and just design randomly and draw on this poster board. So if you're looking for a therapeutic activity, consider doing this. This might be something that'll help ease your mind. So after the hot glue was all dry, I took everything outside to spray paint it. As you know, or if you don't know, I always use the Rust-Oleum spray paint. If you watch my previous videos, you know this can. I spray painted all over the board. It was extremely windy outside, as you can see, so it dried pretty fast. To hang up my decor piece, this time around I did not use push pins because I didn't want this to fall. It's a little heavy. So I did use the regular picture frame holders or picture hangers that you normally use to hang up your pictures. And I just attached it to the back of the poster board frame or the decor piece. This was such an easy, relaxing and fast project. I hope it inspires you guys to do something creative in your home. If you did like this video, please give me a thumbs up and I hope to see you guys in my next one. Thank you guys so much for watching. As always, stay blessed.